Hey guys, let me help you solve this error.
So I'm trying to run my app right here, but it comes up with these issues. It says 5 issues were found when checking AAR metadata. So to fix this, you want to scroll all the way down. And the reason this is happening is because you don't have the newer compile SDK. For example, right here. So to fix this, it's easy. We're just going to press this blue link right here. And we're just going to go and change it to the number that it says. The number that it says was 35, so we're going to change both our compile SDK to 35 and target SDK to 35. And we're just going to put the override warning, I know what I'm doing, like this. And then now we're just going to go right here to refresh and have the Gradle build running. And it should be golden. I'll cut the video to where it comes back on. And as you can see, it has my code that's working right here. It says hello turkey, and it's the little code I wrote. But yeah, this is how you solve the problem. Mass programmer out.